Hey folks! In this video, let's understand how to edit a test suit. Navigate to the Record section and open the test suit you want to work on. Now, with the test suit in the open state, click on the Record option again and select Edit. You'll see several options pop up. If you wish to change the name of your test suit, you can do right here. Next up is the base URL. If you've already recorded the test suit but need to modify the URL before playback, you can do that too. It also has the functionality to switch between different pages you've navigated during the entire journey. The tool captures all the test cases from your navigation journey, so you can easily jump between pages and see all the associated test cases. Let's check out one of these pages. You can rename the page if needed and even dive into the test cases recorded there. Let's have a look at one of the test cases. The tool has assigned a default name. You can easily change it either during recording or right here. The new name will be reflected in your reports. You can also edit the label of any element, modify the value you're entering, and adjust the element selector type. There's a list of locators to choose from, and if you want to switch to a different one, just select it and enter the new value. This option is for the particular test case only. If you want to change the execution time of this test case, you can change it here. Miss taking a screenshot? No worries, just enable the option to capture it now. If you want to reorder the execution of your test cases, that's easy too. Just click on the arrows to shuffle them. In case you don't need a test case, you can delete it as well. Once you're done with all your edits, don't forget to save your changes. And there you have it. Editing your test suit has never been easier.